day 1 of the moving vlog. I haven't started packing. We literally have 17 days till we need to be out of this house. My sister's coming back today to help us out. My mum managed to get a flight back from Nepal. This position's really high in my bag. I just wanted to document this because I want to look back in my life and be like, damn, do you remember the time I became a city girl? This is what it normally looks like, apart from when I try to make it look all beautiful and pretend like that's how I live. It's all like new ASOS stuff that I will be filming a try and haul with. All this needs to be flat packed. Everything needs to be packed. There's a few boxes here. This is what my wardrobe looks like, by the way, guys. I'm so sorry that I got around to showing it. This is Bonnie the bonsai. I'm really worried about how these house removal people are going to take these plants, you know. So let's go to my bedroom. The lighting is a lot better in this room. I just finished filming. This is going to have to get flat packed. I'm worried about this. I don't think I'm going to flat pack this. It's just like a lot to pack. All that needs to be taken down. Banana plant is dying. Yesterday I didn't do anything. I filmed and then I had to cook dinner and then I had to go Tesco shopping and then nothing happened. Today I'm going to start the decluttering and I know I'm wearing the same jumper. I just took some photos in it. That's why. And I hope you guys like this makeup look. Really proud. It's not about makeup, this is about moving. So the plan, decided to make a pile of just miscellaneous pieces of makeup that I'm finding everywhere in the room, and we're just literally piling it all together and we're gonna work. Because I get so overwhelmed with this room because everything is everywhere. Okay, I had a quick outfit change because it was getting really hot in here, and I've also had a coffee break. This is what we've done so far. Everything is here and we've made a very extensive list. Donation unused, donation used, giveaway box, donation clothing, to be used, new makeup. Oh god, Maz, you need to make another one for random storage. Chrissy's found a new spot that she loves. My aim today is to go through all these drawers. I'm going to go through each section and then I'm going to declutter each section. And with this section I've decided to keep, I'm going to pad it out with fabric. And then once I've done that, I'm going to seal each drawer for this one because this whole unit needs to come down. For these drawers, they said I don't need to empty them completely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each one and declutter, get rid of old makeup, lay it out nicely again, like how I would want it to be laid out, because this one is my brow drawer. This one is just like my eye makeup, eyeliner and like mascara drawer. So I'm going to sort through every single one of this today, and then I'm going to make it so it's ready to be packed away. There's a few stuff to do, but there isn't that much. It's mostly just decluttering and just clearing up because the guys said they would do it all for me. I just need to take this down and take my bed down. For wait, I'm so sorry that you can hear that bell. I'm dressed like a right hippie today. I feel pretty good. I've done quite a lot. I've put all these stuff away. It's all empty up here. Today I just took down every piece of item that I didn't really need on a regular basis. So I put away some of my clothes that I knew I wasn't going to wear within this time. I also took down the curtains that I had up in my room. I need to start taking things down that were actually on the walls. They come into my house all the time. On day 10, I tackled the big PAX system. So first of all, what I did was I took out each drawer, I sorted it out, relayed everything out, and then I started taking down the PAX system. There's so many parts that go into a PAX system, so I made sure that I had a bag in hand to put everything in and just keep everything together. I also, at the end of it, taped everything together that were like the loose pieces with the bag of nuts and bolts that I made sure that I kept together, so it would make it easier for me when I had to like put it back up again. I was trying to be as careful as I could, and I just carried on packing. I made sure I kept it all tidy so it was easy for me to work around there. So I stacked all the boxes on top of each other. My mum also helped me with putting up the doors for my closet, which was really hard to do, and she's so sweet for helping me. I also went into my bedroom and put away my coats and everything else that I didn't need for this, and I could just have it packed away just to make it easier and lighter for myself. We are literally going in like 4 or 5 days. Thought I would go to my boyfriend's for this last weekend so I can see him for a bit, and I've done so much packing today. The past few weeks I was feeling so overwhelmed, and I think a part of me is kind of sad because I'm leaving. I think it's going to be okay, and it's all for the good. Like, I was so excited at the beginning, and then sort of like the excitement wore off, and then I was a bit like overwhelmed because I had so much to pack and everything like that. I was just thinking about it. I'm really gonna actually miss this place, and it's really weird, and I've always said I want to leave, and it is the better thing that I'm doing. I think a part of me is just scared for the new start. I'm gonna be so far away from my boyfriend. We have this attachment towards each other. What are we gonna do? I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Just wanted to pop in here and let you guys know how I'm feeling about this. I'm really gonna miss the beach so much. I think this is the last time I'm gonna see the beach. I will make sure not. Oh look, it's the London Eye. I know it's not the London Eye, by the way. I just like to...
Oh, that's the River Thames.
River Thames. And then joins onto the bigger River Thames, which is the Sea Thames. London Eye is so big. Emptiest the beach has looked 2020 because of COVID. Not many people have come down here, but around this time normally in the summer it is jam-packed. Like every square meter of this beach there will be like 20 people on this tiny little patch of sand.
Good try.
Was that good? The removal people are coming tomorrow, and I literally feel like I haven't done anything in this room because we ran out of boxes. They were meant to send us boxes. They were going to pack quite a lot of the stuff for us anyway, but I just have an issue. Like, I just feel like I want to do it myself just so I know where things are at. Me and Mazmi head to the house with the cat on the second day. The reason why we're doing that is because the removal people are coming on the 30th and we can only move into the house on the 2nd, so it didn't make sense for us to take the cat to someone else's house because she wouldn't like it. Got her this cat cage, and it opens up, and she likes it a lot more than the other one. It's got like loads of openings, and then it closes like this. Do you want to come and say hi?
Hello everyone, how are you?
Hi guys. I am truly amazed at how unbothered my sister is.
Oh, you bought feelers?
So much drama. So mum did her makeup, well, Mazmi did the foundation, and then I did her makeup for the first time in 8 months. Mum, it's not a photo, it's a video. Say something.
We are going outside.
We're going to someone's house.
Tomorrow is our last day in Blandford, that's why.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Thank you, bye.
Day before we're moving. Look how empty the walls look. Mum is having her moment. Before the removal men came, me and my sister decided to bag up all my clothes in the hanger, make it easier for us, but he ended up undoing that anyway. Waste of bags, but we did reuse them. And in my bedroom, I first of all started off by sorting out my bed and laying everything out on my bed that I needed, which was my suitcase and just everything that we needed for the journey. And then after I emptied out my closet, I actually moved all the stuff that we needed in the closet so they knew clearly not to touch that. And then after that, I went on to pack the rest of my room. Thank you so much, Mazmi, for helping. She is so sweet. This is what my bedroom is looking like. It looks so empty. My beauty room, and it makes me so sad. It is a bit echoey in here, but this is actually our last day. I actually went out to dinner with my boyfriend for the last time. Basically packed everything up now. We've got our stuff. Don't know why I'm so out of breath because I was packing so fast. I just had to repack everything because I had to take everything out yesterday. This is what my house looks like, empty, and it's absolutely crazy to see it like this. My mum and my brother and my dad have gone to the other house. The removal men are already moving stuff in. Will was showing us the videos of the house on the inside and how big the layout actually is, and it's actually insane because it's so big, the other house, compared to this house. So we're really excited. Chrissy seems okay, which was our biggest worry for this travel. She's never traveled for 3 hours, but I think it'll be okay. I'm so out of breath, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys around my empty bedroom and my beauty room. So this is my bedroom. It looks so tiny right now. This is my beauty room. I'm gonna miss this carpet. I haven't even had it for a year. I had a big mirror here, all my clothes, it's all gone. This is her vibe right now. You're gonna be okay.
It's raining. Chrissy was very stressed, so she's on my lap now. She's calmed down a bit, but she still meows every now and then.
Then it was stressful driving my lap, and I've never driven to London. This was so stressful. Me and Mads were just like, oh my god, like, are we actually doing this? Because Chrissy was just not having it. She's such a drama queen, but it's okay. We made it. Okay guys, I think that's where I'm gonna leave the part 1 of this moving vlog, and part 2 will be up next week, where I will be unpacking, doing up this room, and then the week after that I'm gonna show you guys an in-depth tour about what's gone on in this beauty room. There's just so much that's been happening, and I'm just trying to like get it all together, get all my stuff together and put it up. Please do put a thumbs up on my video, comment down below what you guys liked about the vlog or what you didn't, what I could improve. I worked really hard editing this, and I'm really proud to be putting this up. So it's just nice to get re-inspired with like new content and just be in a new environment and have my beauty room all set out. It was so much hard work, but I'm just happy to be here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are okay. Stay blessed. Maz next.